What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. So as a lot of us know, the new normal is going to be masks for a while. So I want to kind of show you and give you some advice on how to use an earpiece with the mask. First off, especially with an earpiece like this, you're going to want to make sure that the mic is actually close to your lapel. That way you'll actually be able to speak clearly into it. A lot of times you can keep it down here, but these days you're going to want it up a little bit higher. Now, especially when it comes for a D-shell earpiece, you want to make sure that sanitation is key. So, and again, in particular with these, you're going to want to make sure that these are wiped down after every use. So you don't want the wipe to be soaking wet because you don't want the liquid to go into the holes. But you also want to make sure that it's still being sanitized throughout. Now, if you want to take a look at these or any other types of earpieces, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 and let us outfit your team with the earpieces they need. We look forward to working with you soon.